In this video, we will see verilog code for 4:1 mux in behavior model. Okay, you can write the code in all the three. So data flow, behavior, and structure. So in this, I'm showing using behavior model and also test bench. So module mux. Since we want to design 4:1, I labeled as name of the module mux 4:1. So we have four inputs for mux A, B, C, D, and to select this we require two select lines S0, S1 and only one output, that is OUT out. So inputs we have to declare as wires. So in wire A, B, C, D is the verilog code. So A, B, C, D, the S0 and S1, S not a one bit only I have taken. So output reg out 1 bit, all are 1 bits. So always this is the behavioral model syntax. So always at the rate of any change in A, B, C, D or S0 and S1, you have to execute these lines. So this is the sensitivity list parameters A, B, C, D, S0 and S1. Then begin. We have used case statement. So case for these two select line S0 or S1, conclating S0 and S1, that is S0 and S1. So if S0, S1 are 0, 0, whatever is there in A, you have to move into output. Similarly, when 0, 1, B should move to output. Similarly, 1, 0, C and 1, 1, D. And case. This is a case and this is begin and module and. Okay, so this is the code. Now we'll see the test bench. So you have to include that mux file 4:1 mux verilog code, right? Module mux 4:1 test bench. This is the module name, module of the test bench. So you should extend with db. So inputs A, B, C, D, S0, S1, all you have to declare as reg. Similarly, output wire. Then this is the instantiation of this verilog file. Mux 4:1 instance of this out A, B, C, D, S0, S1. So these are the values we are giving. So initial begin after 10 nanoseconds, make S0 0, S1 0. That time inputs are A, B, C, D. So A1, B0, C1, D1. So since 0, 0, whatever is there in A, which is 1, that will go as output. For that it will go. So similarly, as 1, 0, B will be taken. 0, 1, 0, 1, C will be taken. So C is 1. Similarly, 1, 1, D will be taken. So D is 1. Okay. So this is the same thing we want to monitor. So initial begin monitors whichever parameters you want to make. So A, B, C, D time S0, S1 I want to see and output all in decimal or binary. So percentage D or end module. Okay. So this is the test bench for 4:1 mark. That's all in this video.